What's up, everybody? In this video, we're gonna go over some different foam rolling exercises you can do that's gonna really help you decrease your neck pain and stiffness by going over the proper areas to foam roll when you're experiencing some neck pain and stiffness, so you can begin to relax and loosen those muscles up so that you and your neck can start feeling a lot better, more relaxed, and decrease the pain and stiffness in it. So let's get into it. So a key aspect of foam rolling is definitely going to be what foam roller you actually use, because not all of them are made equal and will affect your results with it. And a foam roller that I heavily would recommend and use is this Acumobility Ultimate Back Roller. This one has really high density EVA foams, so it's really designed to get a lot deeper into the muscle tissue than your average roller to be able to effectively relieve pain, loosen up those trigger points, and to be able to stretch your muscles out so that they can relax, especially compared to a regular roller. So I highly would recommend this one. I'll leave a link in the description for you to check it out. All right, so first we'll start out with rolling that neck and upper back and shoulder area, as the upper back and shoulders can cause a lot of stiffness and tension in the neck. So you want to roll through that whole upper part of your back and shoulders through your neck to see where exactly that tension may be. And as you're doing that, again, when you're rolling over that upper back area, one of the best ways I've found doing it is either rolling with your arms crossed, as you see me doing here, or with your arms straight out. I think arms straight out is going to get it a lot better. It's going to help you find those trigger points and knots a little bit better, but rolling out either way is fine. And rolling over that upper back through your neck nice and slowly, see where those tight, real tight, tender spots may be. And again, as you find those spots, you want to hold it there for about 30 seconds, or at least until you feel that tension or that tight spot that you find begin to relax and loosen up. And you want to continue to do this over time, again, rolling through not just that neck area, but through your upper back and shoulders as well, because all of those things can be contributing factors to your neck issues and pain. And just find those trigger points that may be causing that neck pain and stiffness, and begin loosening it up, and continue to do that over time. And your neck pain and stiffness, you should get a lot better as you do it. The second area you really want to foam roll over if you're having some neck pain and issues is going to be your chest, because when you have really tight chest muscles, what this does is it causes you to have a forward head posture. And as you have that forward head posture, it really puts a lot of stress on your spine and neck area, which will cause those muscles to work harder, which can be a cause to why you're having some neck pain and issues. So loosening up your chest can be something that can really help you. And the best way to foam roll over your chest as you're doing that is to first, you just want to place that foam roller right at like about the top of your chest area, right around your collarbone-ish. And you want to reach your arm straight out, as this is going to give it a little stretch as you're foam rolling it out. And again, as that arm is straight out, you just want to roll over your chest nice and slow. Try to figure it out where those tender or tight spots may be in your chest. And as you find that spot, again, keeping your arm straight out, you want to hold it there, give it a nice good stretch for about 30 seconds, or at least until you feel that muscle, those chest muscles begin to open up, loosen up a little bit, and the tension begin to fade away. And you want to continue to do this over time. Keep opening up your chest and foam rolling over those different areas and getting it just more flexible and less tender and loose. And as you do that, your posture will improve, your body will improve, and as it does this, you will see your neck pain begin to decrease as well. All right, guys, that's going to be it for our foam rolling exercises for the neck. And before we get out of here, I want to give you guys this verse. And this verse is Romans 8:28, which says, "And we know that for those who love God, all things work together for good, for those who are called according to his purpose." I want to give you guys that verse because in the same way, when we're trying to foam roll to help relieve, tension and tight muscles and pain in our body, I understand that a lot of times we could be experiencing these same type of pains and issues in not just our physical body, but just emotionally, mentally, through all the different things and trials and stuff that can happen in life. And I just want to give you guys that verse to give you guys a great reminder that, man, no matter what you're going through, all things are always working together for your good, and that there is a other side to whatever it is you're going through, whether it be an addiction, whether it be money issues, whether it be relational, or whether it be mentally, and just trying to get up every day and find the drive to do the things that you love and the things that God made you to be. Know that whatever you're going through in life, it is not meant to defeat you. It's only meant to strengthen you and help you become the person that God made you to be strong, to be resilient, and for you to not just get to where you're trying to go, but to be able to sustain it long term, man. So I just want to encourage you guys to keep going, keep at it, and that no matter what you're going through right now, it is all for your good, and it all will be fine through Christ, through your relationship with God, who is going to strengthen you, give you all the things that you need to make it through. All right, guys, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you did, definitely be sure to leave a like. Definitely be sure to comment too, man. Any questions, feedbacks, concerns, comments, would love to get all that in there so I can connect with you guys even further. Definitely be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification as well, as I'm always uploading new content every week to help you enhance your physique, your health, your wellness, and your faith through the foundation of fitness, nutrition, and a relationship with God. So definitely be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of that new content, and be sure to check out some of my other content that I already have uploaded as well. I'll leave some links in the description, some content that I have that I think will further help you. And again, I just want to thank you guys for tuning into this video, and I'll see you in the next one.